Ang fasting po ba ay pwedeng gawin ng mahabang panahon? May nabasa po ako na 'pag daw po na nagfa-fasting ay mas magkakasakit daw po sa puso. Yung fasting po, there are different yung lengths of time ng fasting po, ano. Sa araw-araw, if you think about it, you're always fasting every day. Kailan po ba? Tuwing natutulog po tayo. 'Pag kayo natulog, let's say natulog kayo 10 p.m., then the next day you wake up at, let's say, 6 a.m., so that's already 8 hours. In fact, you're fasting na po yun, eh, 'di po ba? So, it just depends on the amount of time po, ano. Ngayon, yung fasting po, it's necessary. Alam niyo po ba kung bakit necessary yung fasting? Because that's the only time that your metabolism can reset. Hangga't pinapasukan natin ang katawan natin ng pagkain, hindi tumitigil yung factory ng katawan natin, kumbaga, ano po. So, never siya totoong napapahingahan, never siya totoong nalilinis, especially the brain. Remember, one of the advantages or one of the benefits ng fasting is autophagy, self-phagy, cleaning. So yung self-cleaning na nagaganap na nangyayari lamang kapag wala tayong pagkain sa katawan, no, when we are in fasting mode. So ngayon, ang fasting naman po ay pwede naman po siyang iba-ibahin. So for example, yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, when you sleep, you're already fasting kasi obviously you're not eating when you're sleeping. But the truth is, sa mga Pilipino po, maiksi lang yung nagiging fasting time kasi people tend to, eat late, and then they wake up early and then kain agad. The fasting is a very short period of time. Yun nga po yung ano doon, no, iba't iba yung amounts of time. So by itself, fasting is not going to cause yung heart disease po, heart trouble. In fact, yun nga po, if your issue is metabolic, for example, yung issue ninyo is diabetes, for example, yung issue ninyo is high cholesterol, for example, these things can worsen yung inyo pong heart disease, and the fasting will help it. So, mga kapatid, it's not the fasting per se, kasi nga, fasting can be varied po, it can be short amount of fast, like yung metabolic fast lamang overnight, or it can be longer. Fasting by itself po shouldn't be a problem doon sa heart disease, and nakakatulong pa nga po siya. You just have to understand yung length of time, you just have to aralin po yung pundasyon talaga nito, understand when you will take the medication po, ganun po, and you work with your doctors, you tell them na binago niyo yung lifestyle niyo, and it should be fine po.